Welcome to Expert English Academy. Easy English Speaking Course Class 1. 140 plus sentences, simple and daily uses, starting with I am. I am waking up early today. I am brushing my teeth before breakfast. I am making coffee for myself. I am checking my emails in the morning. I am getting dressed for work. I am walking to the bus stop. I am waiting for the bus to arrive. I am greeting my colleagues at work. I am starting my computer. I am attending a meeting at 10 a.m. I am taking a lunch break at noon. I am eating a sandwich for lunch. I am chatting with coworkers during lunch. I am returning to work after lunch. I am completing tasks on my to-do list. I am responding to emails in the afternoon. I am having a quick coffee break. I am organizing my desk before leaving. I am saying goodbye to my coworkers. I am walking to the bus stop again. I am waiting for the bus to go home. I am arriving home after work. I am changing into comfortable clothes. I am preparing dinner in the kitchen. I am setting the table for dinner. I am eating dinner with my family. I am washing the dishes after dinner. I am watching TV in the evening. I am reading a book before bed. I am checking my phone for messages. I am setting my alarm for the next day. I am turning off the lights. I am going to bed early tonight. I am waking up to my alarm in the morning. I am stretching in bed before getting up. I am making the bed. I am opening the curtains to let in sunlight. I am feeding my pet in the morning. I am watering the plants. I am packing my bag for work. I am checking the weather forecast. I am taking an umbrella in case it rains. I am locking the door before leaving. I am walking to the subway station. I am swiping my card to enter the subway. I am standing in the crowded subway car. I am listening to music during the commute. I am getting off at my stop. I am walking to the office from the subway station. I am saying good morning to the receptionist. I am logging into my computer. I am attending a training session. I am taking notes during the training. I am having a snack during the break. I am participating in a brainstorming session. I am sharing my ideas with the team. I am collaborating on a project with a coworker. I am having a one-on-one meeting with my manager. I am discussing my goals for the month. I am taking a lunch break at my desk. I am going for a walk during lunchtime. I am grabbing a salad from the cafeteria. I am chatting with coworkers in the break room. I am finishing up my tasks before leaving. I am shutting down my computer. I am organizing my workspace. I am saying goodbye to my coworkers. I am catching the subway home. I am stopping by the grocery store on the way. I am picking up ingredients for dinner. I am greeting my family when I arrive home. I am helping with household chores. I am playing with my kids in the evening. I am helping my kids with their homework. I am cooking dinner while chatting with my family. I am setting the table for dinner. I am enjoying a family meal together. I am cleaning up the kitchen after dinner. I am watching a movie with my family. I am relaxing on the couch with a book. I am taking a warm bath before bed. I am moisturizing my skin before sleep. I am meditating for a few minutes. I am writing in my journal. I am turning off the lights in the house. I am cuddling with my pet before sleep. I am drifting off to sleep peacefully. I am waking up to the sound of birds chirping. I am stretching my body in bed. I am sipping a glass of water. I am practicing gratitude for the new day. I am taking a refreshing shower. I am choosing my outfit for the day. I am ironing my clothes. I am preparing breakfast for myself. I am making a to-do list for the day. I am checking my schedule for appointments. I am kissing my loved ones goodbye before leaving. I am walking to the bus stop under the morning sun. I am chatting with a friend on the phone. I am enjoying the scenery during my commute. I am arriving at work with a smile. I am greeting my coworkers cheerfully. I am checking my emails for any urgent messages. I am attending a team meeting. I am contributing ideas during the meeting. I am taking a coffee break to recharge. I am discussing a project with a colleague. I am solving a problem that arose unexpectedly. I am taking a lunch break to refuel. I am having a salad for a healthy lunch. I am laughing at a joke shared by a coworker. I am collaborating with my team on a task. I am receiving positive feedback on my work. I am feeling accomplished as I complete tasks. I am updating my supervisor on my progress. I am attending a training workshop. I am learning new skills to enhance my work. I am congratulating a coworker on their success. I am celebrating a team achievement. I am exchanging ideas with coworkers during a brainstorming session. I am providing support to a colleague in need. I am expressing gratitude for my job and coworkers. I am wrapping up my work for the day. I am bidding farewell to my coworkers. I am catching the bus home. I am listening to music during the journey. I am reflecting on the day's events. I am feeling grateful for the opportunities one had. I am arriving home to a warm welcome. I am sharing highlights of my day with my family. I am helping with household chores. I am playing with my pet to unwind. I am preparing a delicious dinner for my family. I am setting the table for dinner. I am enjoying quality time with my loved ones. I am sharing stories and laughter over dinner. I am cleaning up the kitchen together. I am relaxing on the couch with my family. I am watching our favorite TV show together. I am having a heart-to-heart conversation with a family member. I am expressing love.